How to fix Claude AI is not working right now. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your Claude server and make sure that the Claude server is working fine. And if not, then you can simply wait for the server to work. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply go ahead and refresh your Claude web page. So simply on your keyboard, tap on the keys Command Shift and R and refresh or reload your Claude AI page and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom left and then tap on the log out option you see there and log yourself out and then log back in and see if that helps. If not, then go ahead and use the incognito mode for your Claude AI, as this might help you in fixing your issue sometimes. So open a new tab and then tap on the three dots on the top right and you will see the option for new incognito window. Tap on it and now browser extensions will no longer interfere with Claude. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if your issue is not fixed yet, then in your browser again tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for settings. Tap on the settings option you see there and here, tap on the privacy and security option and then tap on the delete browsing data option and delete your browsing data, as doing this will remove the cached files in Claude. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then you can simply switch your browser. So if you are using Google Chrome, you can go ahead and open Safari or Firefox or any other browsers and then open Claude AI in that particular browser and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can also switch between Wi-Fi. And if not, then you can also simply restart your router and also additionally disable VPN services if you are connected to any kind of VPN. See if that helps, and if not, then if you are uploading large files or medias, then you might face this kind of issue. So make sure to upload PDFs and files that are not very large and see if that helps. So try uploading smaller file, or you can also simply start a new chat and split your documents into sections, and this might help you in fixing your issue. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also go ahead and update the Claude app along with update your device, and make sure that your device is updated, as sometimes a older version might be the issue too. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can simply contact Claude helpline and ask them to fix your issue by simply texting them your issue and asking for assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Claude AI not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.